Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO A2x and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So this is the panel that we need to open, and now just click on the settings icon, click on languages, tap on add keyboard, select the language that you want to use. You can either scroll all the way down or tap on search icon and enter the one that you want to use. Tap on done, and now remove unnecessary language by tapping on edit icon, then select the language that you want to remove and then go back. As you can see, new language is already applied. Then you can change it how often you only want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.